my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. And for those that have been with me obviously for a while, welcome back. I'm Andrea. And as you can see, you guys, I'm in my natural hair, which I'm not a fan of too much because it's like not wavy and not curly and it's not straight. It's like all over the place, my hair. Since I was little, I've struggled a lot with it, and so I always tend to straighten it, which kind of damages my hair, but I try to take care of it as much as I can, even though I straighten it after I shower. So, but yeah, so this is my natural hair, and since I want to try and avoid trying to burn it so much, I actually bought this tool right here. I just opened it, but I'm excited to try it. It's this one right here, the Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. It has the power of a dryer and volume of a styler. It does smooth blowouts in up to half the time. Less heat-related damage, which is what I care about. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I've been seeing it all over YouTube. It's been on my Facebook, my Instagram, so I'm like, okay, maybe it's a sign that I should try it. And I've seen girls that like try it and their hair actually looks pretty good, and it's just with this tool right here. But the thing is that like with my hair, since it's pretty frizzy, it's not easy to control. And this is me just out of the shower, and I can't just like, I don't feel like confident enough to just, oh, okay, I'm gonna go out like this. Like I have to put on a hat or a beanie or something, or grab it in a ponytail, because that's how I feel like I'll look more cute. Because with my hair like this, I don't think I look as cute as if when it's straight. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my results with my type of hair, which is not easy, and hopefully it works. I already plugged it in. It's right here, and I really hope it works. Okay, so we're back, guys. Okay, so I already grabbed my hair. I know, not the cutest, but okay. So I grabbed this much hair right now, and the tool says it has the settings of cool, low, and high. So I don't think the low and the high really work, because even with the straightener I have to go with like the higher temperature. So I'm gonna try it with high, and obviously go a couple times and see how it works and see how it starts to leave my hair. So let's see. I'm going more than usual. I'm pretty sure other people would because of my hair type, okay? That's the only reason why. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, here, I don't know, I still feel like it's a little wavy, but I don't think I can go more, but let me keep trying. Okay. So you guys can see, overall I think it feels straight and pretty, so I'm gonna keep going. I won't show you guys the whole process, you know, because I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. And so right now my hair's still wet. It's not soaked, but it's still wet. So I like that if it does work, I like how it leaves my hair, then for sure it's gonna cut half the time, because I don't have to, you know, dry it and then straighten it. So yeah, and using two tools. So let's continue, and I'll do this in two little sections since it's pretty big. I straightened my hair, so I like it. Let's keep going, and I'll just, you know, fast forward to you guys, and I'll finish this half and then I'll start this half, and I'll show you guys this side first. I'll be back. Okay, I just wanted to say something real quick. Okay, so far, this is most of my hair already, and it hasn't even been, what, maybe like 15 minutes or so, maybe? And I already love how it's done my hair, and the only thing that I feel like I'm gonna have trouble with, and I probably might have to use the straightener still for this, is this part right here where it's more frizzy of my hair. So I'm gonna just keep trying. Let's see if it makes it a little better.
Like, it looks okay, but we'll see. I'm almost done, and then I'll show you guys the product.
Okay, so I'm done. I just needed to do this little part because what I saw from another YouTuber was that she did her bangs like going like this, so all together, and like going down. So I'm gonna try that instead of just doing like one side and then the other side. But yeah, so this is one side done. Overall, I love the result. Just obviously, you know, this part right here, as you guys can see, it's pretty frizzy still, but I like it. My hair, I feel like, looks smooth overall, and I have a bit more volume than typically with the straightener. It's a bit more flat. So now I'm gonna try this side now, and then I'll show you guys the full result in a bit. So I'll be back. Okay, so this side is almost ready, and it's been like, yeah, like 10 minutes. So overall, I'm liking how it's leaving my hair, but what I have been doing since the other half is little parts that I feel like still like a little frizzy on top. I'm just going over it again.
So yeah, I'm gonna keep going, and I'm almost done. I'll be right back.
Okay, so the second side is basically done. I'll turn around so you guys can see. I'll go down a bit. So overall, from what I see in the mirror, I like how it left my hair. I actually love it, and I took way less time. But now let's see how my bangs turn out. Obviously, there's still some parts that I see a little, so I'm gonna just go over real quick.
Okay, now let's do my bangs.
Let me just put them back. Wow. It actually does not look that bad at all. Like, I feel like it looks like a bit more like, I don't know, more professional in my opinion. And I am no professional in doing hair at all. So I really, really like it. I was actually surprised. And for sure it took way less time. Okay, I think I see some little parts. Yeah, I like this tool. Like, to me, like, it looks more like natural, like, I don't know, like pretty. I feel pretty now with some makeup on. Yeah, definitely, for sure. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to my straightener at least every once in a while. I'll use it because obviously I still need it probably for these tiny little parts here of my hair so you guys can see. It's still frizzy. But, I mean, hey, if I'm in a hurry and I want to look cute, this for sure will cut down half the time for sure. Yeah. Maybe because of my hair, obviously I'm going to take a little bit longer. Let's be realistic here. But maybe girls, I don't know, that have straight hair or a little bit, I don't know, prettier hair than I do, they'll probably take less time. But I recommend this. I'm in love with it now. I'm going to use it practically, I feel like, every day after the shower. And I don't have to dry my hair. So definitely a plus on that. And, like, yes, it felt hot, but it's not burning my hair as much, and especially my ends. So yeah, definitely I recommend this product. You know, Christmas is coming up for your girlfriend, sister, friend. It was on sale when I got it. I got it at JCPenney, by the way. And it was not bad at all. If you guys want, I'll look for another link maybe on Amazon or somewhere, you know, where you guys can just like look for it. But definitely recommend this tool. I love it already, and definitely love how I left my hair. I feel like more ready for the day. But I recommend it. I hope you guys like this video. Like, it really means a lot to me, your guys' support. And it was, for me, it was a big thing to show my natural hair on here on the internet, because I'm not very confident with it. But I mean, again, I recommend it. Definitely would give this to a gift for a friend, anybody. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications if you guys want to be like on top of when I post my next video. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever time you guys are watching. And thanks so much again. Bye, guys.